But so guys, you guys won't even imagine what I just went through. Like, I'm still kind of like shook that anybody would decide to. Okay, let me just move this forward. Hey guys, so it's currently 10 to 2. I haven't taken a shower. I need to go take a shower right now. But I want to tell you guys right now, I was so fucking stressed because my Facebook account got hacked. I woke up and I got onto Facebook and I found a weird post and it said Facebook was like, no, we removed it because it was inappropriate. And I'm like, okay, I confirmed it because I didn't post it, right? And then I'm trying, okay, fine, let me just change my password. If anyone, I need to change my password. That's the first thing I'm thinking. So I tried to change my password. And then I realized that my password has changed. It's not the same one. Guys, did I not go through troubles? But I managed. Guys. Do make sure you do like 2 verification stuff for your 2 verification password things for your account, because those things are real. I remember when Kanyisile was like also hacked, and I'm like, whoa, it can happen to anybody anytime. And it's weird on my Facebook. Why would you do that? But people do weird things. Anyways, I managed. I'm happy. I'm sorted. I'm relieved. I will change my password every month from now on. Excited in a period. Anyways, good morning guys. Good afternoon guys. It's currently 2 o'clock. And for me it feels like morning because I've been dealing with this for the past 30 minutes and I haven't taken a shower and anything like that. I haven't eaten breakfast. None of that. So it really does feel like morning. What's up Looms family? I'm back in with another video. As you guys saw, the intro is different. Yes, the intro is different. What do you guys think about it? Yes, I do switch up a bit with my intros because I'm trying to find which one's gonna work for me. I need to make sure that I upload a vlog so I can delete, so I can make space to film and download, export. I struggle with this a lot because I can vlog and go in and vlog without actually editing, without actually deleting stuff, and that takes up space. Not because I don't have space, but because the iPhone says I don't have space. Okay, so today's agenda is very chill. I'm not doing anything. No, I'm doing schoolwork. I am home. Oh no, I was actually welcoming guys. Hey, what's up Looms family? I'm Salomelakka and I'm a YouTuber. What? Hey, what's up Looms family? Welcome to another vlog, right? If you're new to my channel, hey, what's up? I'm Salomelakka and I'm a YouTuber. And if you are returning, you definitely know what time it is. Do hit that subscribe button if you haven't, so you can join the Looms family. Y'all know what's up. Yeah man, I need to mask my face, put a mask on my face. I need to do my bed. My plan was to shoot content for today, but I'm not quite sure if I want to do it. I'll check. I think what I'm gonna do is check my phone and see if there's something I can post like content on my gram. If there's nothing, I have to shoot content, period. Yesterday I did what did I do? I did install a wig. Yeah, and I went live with Swilly and we installed my wig. She was literally just guiding me, you know, her technique. It worked. I guess it's better than mine, but yeah, I need to do my bed. I need to kind of like wake up and get away from that energy of being stressed, because I also sent a DM to Kanyisile and I need to go delete it because I am fine now. Okay, let me play music and let me try. And I'm so relieved. That thing was stressing the shit out of me because I'm like, what am I gonna do? Also, I'm gonna make a video live like right now after this. Make it live. It's supposed to be live at 2 p.m. I have to actually make a short video for a promo video. Do you guys call them promo videos? For my Instagram right now, so I'll catch you guys afterwards, period. So I'm gonna go shower. And yeah, yo, last night my piercing was so painful. I don't think y'all understand. Thing is, they had to put in the earring, and obviously it's curved. So because it's curved, it was painful to put in. Let me see. Let me go shower. Anyways, so I've been whitening my teeth because I have like, this is how my skin looks, and I've been using the products I got via PR, the 11 skincare range. Pretty good, pretty good, pretty good. Like, yeah. Okay. I'm having Milo, which I already made, so. I literally forgot about y'all. Yeah, schoolwork. I just need to do a bit of more of that. I wanted to watch Netflix, but no, I'm not going to watch it. I want to buy this leather jacket. It's a faux leather jacket from Zara. You all know it. I'm sure you all know it. It's okay, and I'm just like contemplating on whether I should pay for it because I really want it, but the price is also very like burning. So I'm forcing myself to drink water. Okay, so this is the package I received. This is the coffee, and they sent me the mug as well. Super cute. The package is very nice. Okay. Gives you like all the necessary details at the bag. And then it's a weight loss and anti-aging coffee. I'll definitely put down, should I read what it says? So this coffee is delicious, powerful antioxidant health coffee containing a unique blend of polyphenols which aid in slimming, anti-aging, and general well-being. Benefits can include increased collagen and moisture levels in the skin, enhancement of fat metabolism, prevention of fat absorption, anti-allergy, anti-inflammatory effects, lower blood sugar levels, and improved energy level. Packed with high dosage of ethically sourced quality ingredients to ensure optimal results. Girl Boss Coffee will have you looking and feeling like a boss baby in no time. So I don't know if, wait, my lips are so dry. I don't know if I'm going to be doing it as a whole 21 days or as just to incorporate it when I do detox, and I think that's what I'm going to do. When I detox, I drink a lot of liquid more than food, so ooh, okay, so I think I am going to incorporate it. Lately I haven't really been enjoying having syrup on it. Actually, I'm going to move to eating it with plain yogurt, because I haven't, this yogurt is not plain. The one that I'm using is not plain. This is a flavored one, so I want a plain one, considering that I have strawberries and I'm putting this in. So I think this works well or best with plain yogurt, because you're sweetening everything. So now my yogurt is sweetened a bit, but I don't know, there's just something the syrup just does. It tastes really good. So yeah, I lightly just drizzled it because I don't want a lot. The following day, not it is currently, it is the following day. It's not drying, guys. So I have a peel-up mask on and it's not drying, and I just need to do other things.